how to send blank snap on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send a blank snap on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, now you can point your camera at the plane surface like wall, table, or even cover the camera with your finger, and after that you can simply take a photo. And here, if you want it to look fully black, you can draw tool, you can choose a color, you can fill the screen to make it completely blank, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on send to button, and after that you can simply select the friend that you want to send the snap to. And here, once you have selected that, you can just tap on the arrow button to send it, and that's it. That's how you can send a blank snap on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.